What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to take your lighting from this to this. So you see, it's much better. Using a few simple lights and an easy technique, we're able to really transform the shot. And I'm going to show you how it's done. So I'm going to use my friend Jerry to be the model, and I'll show you exactly what I did to get this look.
Hello, I'm Jerry and I'm ready for the nice lighting.
Alright guys, so the first thing I do is I have this light here. It's kind of just a atmosphere work light. I start with that one just to kind of get nice ambient lighting in the room, and then I go in and do the specific lights on Jerry. The second step I do is I have a 3 light kit from GVM. These are pretty affordable lights. I think you get 3 for around like $300. And I start with the key light on the subject. So the key light is going to be the main light source that's on your subject. You want it to be neutral lighting. Right now I have it set to 3900 Kelvin for the color temperature, so it's like nice natural lighting. I have it just off to the side, kind of hitting him at an angle. And I have a little softbox here to soften the light and diffuse it a little bit so it's not too harsh on the face. The second thing I do is turn on the fill light. Now I actually have the fill light right here a little bit back and off to the side, so it's acting as a hair light and fill at the same time. What that does is it saves me one extra light. So rather than using one light for kind of his hair light and another one for fill, I can have one do both, and the last one I can do for something else, and you'll see what I'm about to do within just a second. So let's turn this on. And I can leave it like this for kind of a natural lighting, but I like it a little bit more dramatic, so I go for RGB lighting instead. Boom. I think that looks cool. So far I have my key light on, and I have kind of a hair light slash fill for my second light. And I have one light left as part of my 3 light kit. And with this one, I'm actually going to light the background to create separation between the background and subject, and also to kind of give the blue cool look to the shot. Turn this bad boy on, switch to RGB lighting, and I have it a little bit kind of backed off the wall so it's not too strong, and you can play with the distance from the wall, and then obviously like if it's really close it's going to be super blue. If I can bring it further back, you can kind of see how the shot changes. I kind of like it just maybe 2-3 feet off the wall. Last thing I'm going to do is I have a lamp in the back here that I like to turn on just kind of for more background lighting, and this is going to help light up the wall. Alright guys, so that's it for my quick 3 light setup. What did you think of the light, Jerry?
I like it, it looks good.
Yeah, I think it do look pretty good on camera. So just a quick review of what I did today is I have a key light that's pretty close to the subject, set close to daylight, so it's not, there's no color hue in it. It's pretty bright white. I have a softbox as well to kind of diffuse the light and make us look good and not too harsh. There's no harsh shadows on us. I have a fill light that's also acting as a hair light, so it's hitting him from the side as well as the back shoulder, and that helps separate him from the background. And I have my 3rd light as part of my 3 light kit hitting the wall, and I have that set to kind of a blue tone, as well as this lamp right here, and in combination with this light and the blue light, we have a nice kind of like a blue and orange look that I really love and I think is flattering. And those 2 lights help separate Jerry or any subject from the background. And then you have these lights here that make us look good. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Let us know what other videos you'd like to see. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.